Today's video we're going to be unboxing Disney's The Little Mermaid. This is the 4K edition and this is the Best Buy exclusive steelbook. I was lucky enough to, I guess, get it a couple of days early, since I pre-ordered, so I guess that's one of the perks. But yeah, let's get to opening it. And I see in this one it says that this is original art by Paige O'Hara, which is the voice from Belle from Beauty and the Beast, so that's pretty neat. Here's the J card in case you guys want to try and pause and look at that. So this is the front of the steelbook, and this is embossed right here, except for the Disney, but the Little Mermaid is embossed. And then you have the spine, and then the back, there's no embossing. It's just matte or a glossy finish. And you do get a digital code, and as well as the 4K disc and the Blu-ray disc. Here's the inside. And then we have the full artwork on the steelbook. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.